These old chicken water containers are trash. Every day I come check on the chickens, their food container is knocked over and their water container, I guess, is so small that it is completely out of water. Also, it gets disgusting. I think that they're standing on it and they are pooping all over it, and we definitely need an upgrade. So today I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna build a brand new water jug for our chickens. For this project, we're going to need a 5-gallon bucket with a lid, then these little poultry watering cups that I got at Tractor Supply. I got 2 packs of these, so 4 watering cups total. Then for tools, you're going to need a drill and some drill bits. We're going to be using the 3/8 inch bit for our size watering cups. Then you need a tape measure, a Sharpie, and a piece of sandpaper. These little cups are gravity fed, but there is a little yellow piece of plastic that the chickens will have to learn how to press down in order to fill up each cup. This should be a super easy project. We're gonna start by flipping the 5-gallon bucket upside down and measuring down from the bottom 1.5 inches and making a tick mark. Then we're gonna measure about 8 inches around the bucket and still 1.5 inches down from the bottom and make the next tick mark. We're gonna repeat this step until we get all 4 tick marks evenly around the bottom of the bucket. We're doing 4 because we have 4 of our watering cups, but you can repeat this process with any amount of cups that you buy or any size bucket or barrel that you do this in. After that, we're gonna take our drill and our 3/8 inch drill bit and drill those 4 holes evenly around the bucket. Then we're gonna take our sandpaper and lightly sand the inside and the outside of those holes just to make sure there's no little pieces of plastic that are gonna get in the way of these watering cups and keep them from sealing properly. After that, all we have to do next is to hand tighten and screw these little watering cups into each of those holes. These watering cups have this little rubber seal that if your hole is drilled out the right size and everything is done correctly, this should just hand tighten right into place and seal properly where you won't have any leaks of water and these cups won't fall out. After getting all 4 of these screwed in, we're done with this watering jug. It was that easy. All that's left is to fill it up with water and give it a try. I am super excited to try out this 5-gallon bucket version of a chicken waterer because our old version literally only lasted about 1 day, and I think it was 1.5 gallons of water. So this bucket should last us at least 3 or 4 days. In our coop run, I'm gonna hang this up with a metal chain and then we're done. I'm sure there are plenty of more elaborate options out there for watering your chickens, but this project was only about $25 and it took literally 20 minutes to do. It was so easy that anyone can do this, and it will for sure be an upgrade over those basic gravity-fed watering jugs that Tractor Supply sells. All right, and that's it for our brand new chicken water jug. I'm really excited about this. I think this is gonna be so much better than that cheap little junky one that we had before from Tractor Supply. Obviously this one is much bigger. I think that old one was only a 2-gallon container. This is a 5-gallon bucket. And so hopefully I won't have to change the water but every 2 or 3 days rather than every single day. And I think it's gonna stay a lot cleaner because this one has so much smaller of a water surface, so they can't just like get on all of that water and poop in it and, you know, make it all nasty and stuff. So hopefully this water system will be much better for our chicken coop. I still need to do something about our chicken feeder. We do have one of those small little containers still for food, and that does last 2 or 3 days with our 7 chickens. But I want to do something bigger and better so we don't have to feed as often as well. So if you have an idea for us, leave that down in the comments below and let us know what we should do. We're still new to chicken keeping. Hopefully we're teaching you guys something as we're learning, but I do think that this one is going to be a win, and hopefully we'll get a shot of the chickens trying it out here in just a minute, and hopefully they'll train and learn how to use these little cups pretty quickly. I think that they will. I'm gonna link everything down in the description below that we used if you wanna try out this project for your chicken coop. Thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button, leave a like, leave a comment for us. Let us know what you guys wanna see next here on the Sasser House. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.